In this tutorial, we'll create a realistic animated flag in iClone 8 using the built-in flag asset, a custom flagpole, soft cloth physics, wind settings, and a custom texture. By the end, you'll have a fully customized waving flag that's ready to use in your scenes or animations. To begin, open the content browser and type flag in the search box. From the available results, simply drag the flag into the viewport. Then press play to preview the default cloth simulation. You'll notice that the flag is already animated using soft cloth physics and wind. Next, we'll drag and drop a flagpole model, which is simply an FBX file, into the viewport. Once it's imported, we'll position it beside the flag to prepare for the next steps. To position it quickly, we'll use the Align tool to align the flagpole directly with the flag. This gives us a precise starting point with minimal manual adjustment. Take a moment to adjust its rotation if needed, ensuring the flag appears naturally attached to the pole. With both the flag and flagpole in place, we're ready to continue building a realistic flag. To make the flag move naturally from the very first frame, open the physics panel and under the wind settings, adjust the local axis values so the wind blows in the correct direction, allowing the flag to catch the wind immediately and produce a realistic waving animation. Now it's time to customize the appearance of the flag by changing its texture. To change the texture, either double-click on the existing texture image or drag and drop the image. After adjusting the texture position and rotating it along the Z-axis, don't forget to click Apply to see the changes take effect. This lets you preview the updated texture and make any final adjustments for a perfect fit. Finally, press the spacebar to preview the animation. Your realistic animated flag is now ready to use in your iClone 8 projects.